So shit, that's what we finna do. You know? Why not? Fuck it. Fuck it. Why not? Fuck God. Yeah, man, we finna terrorize the city, man. It's over with shit.
My head. I got a concussion.
No, cameraman ain't supposed to really talk for real. That was weird as hell. I never seen that before. I never seen no cameraman talk. I ain't gonna lie. That was weird. This nigga right here. This car. Damn, car looking at all straight cheeks, bro. Joe, you want a bike today?
It sounded good.
Yeah, you know that. You know that.
Heard your shit skating too.
Yeah, I need an alignment.
You know?
Yeah.
How old boy been doing?
He been good.
Been good?
Yeah.
He ain't good, let me know.
I got you. I got you.
His ass, boy.
I'm already knowing.
Hey.
You be telling me.
Talk too much. See, I'm on my Hemi now.
Yeah.
I ain't no shit, boy. Hey, you looking good. Keep putting that bitch together.
I appreciate it. Gas and shit, man. I got a little RT and shit. This shit loud as hell. He be getting wild in that bitch too. He be getting over wild in that bitch, like. Lemonade. Oh shit, here goes some more kids right here. Get that reaction from the bed. Seem like they ain't really getting no fuck though. I ain't gonna lie. That was weird. That was weird. Maybe I should quit this shit. I don't think it's worth it. Should we pull up on the barber and see what's going on at the barber shop? Yo, do a little burnout in front of your shit real quick. Get up out of here. I hate these fucking roads, bro. Like, right now. We're finna go to me and Cuz' favorite store. See what they got in there. Get some mics or something. Like $100. Everybody go shop. Need some mics for like $50, $60. Brand new. They got it. Look at this gas station. I'm banned from this gas station and shit right here. They don't fuck with me right there. They talking about I was stealing this shit. I don't even steal. Unless it's cars, I don't really steal shit. Let's see what's going on. Let me know what type of content y'all want to see, bro. Cause shit, really, I'm on a 30-day run, bro. It's like a lot of motherfuckers don't do car content no more. It's like I'll be the only one out here by myself most of the time. See, like I shouldn't be doing this on a residential street by myself. It should be at least 4, 5, 6 of them. Better start looking like that. But yeah, man, I miss the old days, man, when we was all outside, bro. Like, it's summertime. What the fuck is we doing, y'all? Like, this shit making my 30-day run so much harder, bro. Like, I'm out here by myself. Like, this shit getting weird, bro. Shit make me want to just sell this motherfucker. Like, what I even got it for, bro? Yeah, no, I ain't coming up off this motherfucker. I ain't gonna lie. That shit over with. I ain't never gonna come up off this. Oh, the truck wanna cut up? Say that. Say that. Damn, the truck fast. Truck might be a little bit faster. Barbershop real quick. See what he talking about. I ain't gonna put that in the back. I ain't definitely gonna get a little video out there. Shit, we gonna get a lot of content out there, I ain't gonna lie. Fuck with me. That bitch was putting buses, for sure gonna put buses on me. That bitch was like, I don't even know what that. I make motherfucker get active. He only doing that because I'm behind him and shit. Like, come on, bro. You ain't gotta do all that, bro. Just chill, bro. You might be loud, but you ain't as fast as me. I know I'm slow. Slow. But no, folks had, I don't know what type of engine he had, but he had twin turbos in that bitch for show ski. We're gonna pull up on the kids right there, ain't he? Stop this bitch out, that's like 10 miles only down the street for sure. Should we go rear that bitch in front of Clockwork House? She gonna be pissed. Wait, is she home?
I don't know.
Hey, when your fucking grandson came over and fucking grabbed this fucking loud ass car, just like the old days. Fuck God. Like track mode. That shit too steering wheel too stiff. Let's see what cutting up time at. Fuck that. Tight Atlas weed, huh? Y'all remember this neighborhood, man? I can't name one neighbor over here who did not hate me. Oh, Clockwork is home. Oh, fuck. She gonna be pissed. And it's gonna wake her up too.
Fucking why?
I told y'all, bro. Oh, I shouldn't have did that, bro. Ain't gonna lie. Police probably be like, hey, telling me to rev that bitch shit. Cuz finna call the police heat. Cuz finna call the 12, folks. Damn, niggas had too quick. Look, I couldn't even be in that bitch. 12 probably would have boxed me if I was in that bitch for 2 or 3 more seconds, bro. No bullshit. But yeah, man. That's gonna be the end of the video and shit, man. Like, comment, subscribe. We're on the 31-day run right now. Yeah, man.